Have you ever tried destroying something in a video game but it just won't work? Well, then it's probably like the photoelectric effect. The photoelectric effect is an effect where light, which has the wavelength and frequency, both characteristics of a wave, hits the surface of a metal object which has electrons. Many years ago, when scientists explored this idea, they were all stumped as they didn't know why some colors of light were producing this effect while others, on the other hand, weren't. While Heinrich Hertz discovered the photoelectric effect himself, Albert Einstein was the one who explained that light needed a certain frequency, which he called the threshold frequency. A frequency, to explain, is the amount of waves that pass through a certain point in a given amount of time. Basically, it means that for a metal to release electrons when being hit by light, the light must reach a certain threshold frequency so that the electrons can be emitted. And as this frequency gets higher and higher, the emitted electrons have more energy to move out. While the intensity of the light affects how many more electrons are emitted from the metal, each metal has its own threshold frequency, so they're not all the same. But why was this so groundbreaking? Well, because through this experiment, Einstein discovered that light was, instead of acting like a wave, acted also like a particle in this scenario. Small packets of energy, which he called photons. Through this, we can realize that if they were small packets of energy, then that would mean that each photon had a certain amount of energy, which explains why lower frequencies are unable to emit electrons. Because photons of these light colors are being absorbed compared to the photons of higher frequency light colors, which have enough energy to emit the electron. So, if we go back to the video game, maybe to destroy something in that game, you just need something that passes the game's threshold frequency, or has enough energy rather, to destroy it in one take.